neighborhoods, and I think there were some others who went independently also. So there were 3 in groups, and then some independents who also came and showed up here tonight. And this is just a really small sampling of what New York City tosses in one night. This is not even an iota of how much garbage there is that shouldn't be garbage. It's good food. So we rescued it tonight. We encourage people to rescue food every night, that food shouldn't be wasted. We know there are a lot of hungry people, there are a lot of people who can't afford to buy this food, and the stores don't think to give it to people, they don't think of donating it, they throw it in the garbage because this is not their motive to feed people, their motive is profit. So we Freegans are reacting to that by rescuing the food. We're happy to give it away. People who are hungry should eat. And the bread is especially prominent, and that's not a surprise. This is typical. Every night, every bakery and pastry shop in the city and everywhere throws out what they bake that same day. And every sign says, baked fresh daily, which means thrown out fresh daily also. So